Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews.
Today, we've got something special for all you saxophonists out there.
Get ready to take your saxophone maintenance game to the next level with the best saxophone repair kit on the market.
Introducing the Alto Sax Repair Maintenance Kit set by VGEBY.
Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit has everything you need to keep your alto saxophone in top condition.
Let's dive into what makes this kit stand out from the rest.
First up, we have an assortment of 18 rollers, 24 needle springs, and 26 rat tail screws, ensuring you have all the essential parts for repairs and replacements. No need to hunt down individual components when everything comes neatly packaged together.
But wait, there's more.
This kit also includes 4 reeds and corresponding screws, ensuring you always have spare reeds on hand for uninterrupted play.
Plus, 2 adjusting screws and a variety of nuts and round head screws round out the package, giving you full control over your saxophone adjustments.
What I love about this kit is its practicality. Whether you're at home, in the studio, or on the go, you can easily perform maintenance and repairs with these high-quality tools. Say goodbye to costly trips to the repair shop. With this kit, you're in control. Not only does this kit save you time and money, but it also empowers you to enhance your hands-on ability and deepen your knowledge of your alto saxophone. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional musician, having the right tools at your fingertips is essential. So there you have it, folks. The Alto Sax Repair Maintenance Kit set by VGEBY. With its comprehensive assortment of parts and user-friendly design, it's the ultimate companion for any saxophonist. Don't let maintenance woes hold you back. Grab your kit today and keep the music playing.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, keep rocking and rolling.